Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can sync Google Calendar on your iPhone. So to get started, go ahead and open up your settings. And if you scroll all the way down here, you can see calendar application. Once you tap on it, here you can see accounts and different type of other options. So once you tap on accounts, here you can see all the accounts that is sync with my phone. Now here you can choose any account, Google account to sync with your iPhone on the calendar. So let's say for example I want to sync this account. Here we can see the calendar option. You can just enable or disable it. So once you enable it, it will be automatically sync with iPhone calendar. So that's all guys. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.